Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix Snapchat. Something went wrong, please try again. So guys, when you have open your Snapchat in iPhone or iPad, and when you have do any activity on your Snapchat app and facing this type of issue, that something went wrong. I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to go back, and guys after this you need to open your settings, and guys you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And if you are using mobile data, you need to make sure that you have selected 4G or 5G network. And after doing this, you need to click on general, click on transfer, and here is the option of VPN and device management. So guys, make sure that you have not connected with any VPN. If you have connected, simply you need to disconnect that VPN, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and guys you need to reset your network settings. And after doing this, you need to go back and guys check your date and time, make sure that date and time set on automatically. And after doing this, you have to go back, and guys you have to open your app store. Here you need to search Snapchat. So guys, as you can see here, simply you have to search here Snapchat. And guys after searching your Snapchat, you need to open your Snapchat app here, and guys you need to check for update. If your app is not updated, you need to update your app. And guys after doing this, you need to go back, click on settings again, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and from here you need to open your Snapchat app. So guys, as you can see here, simply you have to open your Snapchat, and guys you need to offload your app. And after doing offload, you need to reinstall again, and guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.